Coming up, we've got Hot Rod Cruiser. This class hotly contested, Yamahas, Harley Davidsons and Kawasaki's. Our number one qualifier, Mark Underwood, is even down in the nines at 997, 131. Just shows you how far you can push these heavy old street bikes. All 5 of the points leaders are qualified, should provide some real hot action as we get into Hot Rod Cruiser. Nothing in it as Mark and Debbie lead the line. Mark's got a good lead at half track. I don't think Debbie's got much hope of catching him. Certainly not with a 988. Chris Viola has a huge wheelie to deal with, but he's still in front. I don't know that he's going to stay there. This is close. And Mike Coulson drives around him at the top end with 11.15. Terry Reid a little behind at the 60-foot mark, but going strong now. He's walking away with this one. And he takes it with a 10.30, 131. Our number one qualifier, Richmond up against number 11, Dean Phelps. Ripley's been sitting on the start line, absolutely flying away with this one. Comfortable win at 10.06, 129. Scott, our number 6 qualifier, is on a bye run. Through the next round with 10.57. Moving on now to what has to be the most hotly contested class of them all, 600 Super Sport. All the major brands involved in this one. These pocket rockets already down in the nines at 130 plus miles an hour. Pretty amazing when you're running only 600 cc's. Ryan Schnitz being the dominant force in this class at the moment. Let's see if he can stay on top as we go in with 600 Super Sport. Bobby Terry, our number 7 qualifier, takes on Paul Ray, number 16. Paul Ray lifting the front wheel, charging hard. Bobby Terry working for it, takes it with a 10.15. Taylor Hole, our number 10 qualifier, takes on Trevor Royal. Taylor the one lifting the front wheel this time around. Trevor seems to be coming at him at this point. It'll be close, that's for sure. Just the way we like it, nice and close with a 10.29. Wallace Epp seems to be gaining a small lead. Looks like he's going to keep it. And he does with a win at 10.01. Our number 2 qualifier, Chip Hunter, dealing with a massive wheelie there. Nevertheless, he's a mile in front. And no wonder, it's a 9.91 at 135. Chad Holland getting out in front of here. He's going to stay there. 10.05 gives him the win. Our number 4 qualifier, Keith Thompson, stamps his mark on it. He's a long way in front. Takes an easy win with 10.0 at 135. Chris Williams driving around Terry Moore there. I think he's going to stay in that position. 10.18, 134, it's a win for him. As they come past the camera, these two look like they're welded together. Renee Schmelder just takes it with a 10.33. Jim Yeardley apparently has problems. That leaves Damon the opportunity to solo through. He takes his win with a 10.20. Head on a nice hard charge here. Tucking in for that extra gain in mile an hour. 991, 136. Last out in round one, Ryan Schnitz. Showing us how to get it away smoothly. Again, tucking in for that extra little bit of speed. 992, 134.